Good day, Math Wizards! I am Matt Saya, and here's another episode of You Can Learn Anything. Today, we'll be discussing the application of what we have discussed on our previous episode, the application of differentiation. Here's Math Nick to enlighten our world with another application of mathematics.
Hello, Math Wizards! I am Matt Nick. It's been a while, right? Can you still remember our previous topic? Differentiation! Wow, you're really great! And to further tackle and deepen our understanding, we'll now proceed to its application. Are you ready, wizards? And without further ado, let's go! Water is being poured into a cylindrical drum at a rate of 0.5 cubic meter per second. If the radius of the drum is 1.2 meters and the height is 2.4 meters, how fast is the water level rising when the height of the water reaches 3.6 meters? So first, let's have the formula, which is dV all over dt is equal to dV over dr times dr over dt. Since we are dealing with cylinder, to find its volume, we have pi r squared h. But since we need to have just one variable, let's eliminate either of the two. The radius given is 1.2 and the height is 2.4. Therefore, to eliminate r, we're going to have r as h over 2. Now let's substitute the given values. It will be 0.5 is equal to pi times the quantity h all over 2 squared times h times dr over dt. Then it will be 0.5 is equal to pi h cubed all over 4 times dr over dt. Then, find the derivative of the equation, which will lead us to 0.5 is equal to 3h squared pi all over 4 times dr over dt. Since the height given is 3.6, we need to substitute that value to the equation. Therefore, we're going to have 0.5 is equal to 3 times the quantity 3.6 squared pi all over 4 times dr over dt. And now, perform the equation. We have 0.5 is equal to 3 times the quantity 12.96 pi all over 4 times dr over dt. It will be 0.5 is equal to 9.72 pi dr over dt. It will be 0.016 meter per second is equal to dr over dt. With this, we came up with 0.016 meters per second. Problem number 2. A funnel is being drained of water at a rate of 0.1 cubic feet per second. How fast is the water level dropping when there is 4 feet of water in the funnel? The full height of the funnel is 9 feet and the radius of the top is 3 feet. Once again, we have the formula, which is dV all over dt is equal to dV over dr times dr over dt. Here, we are dealing with a cone. The volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r squared h. Again, we need to eliminate one variable. Since we have 9 as the height and 3 as the radius will be equal to h all over 3. Now, let's substitute the given. 0.1 is equal to 1/3 pi times the quantity h all over 3 squared times h times dr over dt. Simplify, it will be 0.1 is equal to pi h cubed all over 27 dr dt. Then, find the derivative of the equation, which will be 0.1 is equal to 3h squared pi all over 27 dr dt. Again, let's simplify the equation. It will be 0.1 is equal to h squared pi all over 9 dr dt. Now, it's time to substitute the value of the height. So we have 0.1 is equal to 4 squared pi all over 9 dr dt. Multiply 9 by 0.1, we're going to have 0.9 is equal to 16 pi dr dt. The answer will be 0.018 feet per second is equal to dr over dt. So the rate will be 0.018 feet per second. Wow! Well done, wizards! We've accomplished another math topic. But of course, before I say goodbye, I have something for you. Do you know what it is? Yes, you're right. A homework. I'll be leaving you with one problem and we'll check it on our next episode. Bye!
Did you learn something, wizards? That's great! And here's Math the next gift for you. Steve collected different colors of kisses with a diameter of 1 centimeter and soaked it in a large container filled with water. He observed that the kisses are growing 5 millimeter per minute. What is the rate at which the kisses grew bigger when the size of the kisses is 3 centimeter in diameter? Good luck, wizards! Till the next episode. See you! Bye! Mathematics is one of the most important subjects of our life. No matter to which field or profession you belong to, its use is everywhere. That is why it is necessary to have a good understanding of the subject. Though the basics of mathematics start from school, but its usage continues till we become adults, and thus it can be said that math has become an integral part. Imagining our lives without it is like a ship without a sail. Presented to you by You Can Learn Anything.